Hello and welcome to Advanced Driving Tuition. In this video, we're going to do a forward bay parking. We'll teach you how easy it is to do a forward bay parking if you stick with the basic rules. First thing we need to do is you need to park the car as closest to the left side of the bays or close to the center line. Pick the bays up. If I'm going to that's my first box, this one here. So I'm parking up in that box there. So wing mirror should be 75% into this box, which is a second box from the right. Then you have to do is a full turn to the right. Do your observation all around from left all the way to the right to see if it's clear to go. So I can see someone's coming, so I'll wait for this car to go. Yep, so they're no moving, so I'm okay to carry on. So full turn to the right, which is a 1.5 turn to the right. First gear. Just quick look again, make sure everything's okay, and then you need to put your window down and keep looking at the center line. As soon as you can see, so this center line is closest to me, so you can keep an eye on the center line. The gap in between the line and the car is nice. So take the turn away, steering is straight. What you need to do just now, so put your head out the window and keep looking at the line. So make sure back of the wheel inside, or your wing mirror should be over the line, which is the center line of these two bays there. Once you stop there, just to make sure that we have done perfect parking, if you put your wing mirror down, so you can see that there's a nice gap there, and if you put your wing mirror down onto the other side and have a look there, so it's nice parking on the both side. Back of the car inside the bay, the wing mirror on the line, so it's a good parking all around. That's how you do your forward parking. Thank you for watching Advanced Driving Tuition. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like the video. Thank you. Bye-bye.